Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and today I will show you how to insert SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a little SIM ejector. They usually come with the device. If you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip and it should work just fine. So once that is ready, you can find the tray on the, where is it? Bottom right corner, so right here. Let me just get it. So you want to just kind of push it in there, and as you can see, it kind of pops up. And now you can just pull it out all the way, and take the SD card, just place it in here, so I find out which way. So like this. I'll make sure it's laying flush in there. Okay, so let's put it back in, and as you can see, SD card up here to transfer media files. So it's reading the SD card. So that is how you would insert it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.